During this segment, I will show you how to bring a block of wood down to round by rough cutting it. When you're working with it, you start with the tool above the block as it's turning, and then slowly bring the tool back and down to start the cuts. You'll also take cuts, short sections out as you're going along to bring down the largest portion of it, and then once your corners are knocked down, then you can bring the tool in to go completely across. Starting with it above, and then bring it in. Knock the corners off. Go left to right. Turn the tool, and go right to left. And you repeat this. Bring your tool rest up. To check whether or not you're round, you can lay the tool on top, and like here I'm getting some bouncing. No bouncing. So the tool is basically round. It's not smooth. I've got a lot of grooves, but the only intent is just to bring it down to the round shape.